All right, guys, let's talk right now. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
What's up, bro? What's up? Are you good?
I'm fine.
Okay, right.
I'm good. I'm good.
Actually, today I want to talk to you about Stoicism. What do you know about Stoicism?
Stoicism, is it about philosophy, right?
Philosophy, right? One of the philosophical teaching in the world.
One of them.
Yeah, the famous book is like Philosophy Terrace. Have you ever read?
Yeah, I've
Philosophy
heard
Terrace. What do you
about
think?
philosophy terrace.
Is it good?
Good.
Good book, right?
Bestseller.
Bestseller, right?
Yeah.
International.
Why?
Maybe like
How can?
because it just tell about like Stoicism, how to apply Stoicism in our life. Yeah, actually I have the points, like 9 points of Stoicism. Like number one, if you want a smooth flow of life according to nature.
According to nature.
Yes, we have to live. We have to live according to nature. When our friends like this, we have to like that. Combine, adapt with the society.
Adaptation.
That's the meaning. Yeah,
With the
adaptation.
society.
Because Darwin said someone who can survive is not someone who is strong, no, but someone who can adapt.
Who can adapt?
How can you adapt with your society here?
How?
You.
I just maybe let it flow. I don't think about how I must adapt, but just let it flow. I be myself.
The point is we have to try to be kind, right? To
Be
people.
kind, of course.
That's right. Yeah, according to nature, right? And we have to keep our environments clean also.
Environment clean. How about if we live in the bad environment? How?
Yeah, we have
What
to
we have
be hygiene. Yeah, in order to get our health, right? We have to be healthy.
We have
If
to
we-
clean the environment.
Yeah, if we are not healthy, it means we are not suitable with the environment. Not
Healthy.
suitable with the nature. That's the meaning, maybe.
Healthy,
Right?
wealthy, and wise.
Yes. And then
Hygiene.
number two, happiness isn't found in things, not in things like iPhone or something like S24 Ultra. Happiness is not found in things, but in virtue alone. Kebajikan. All right.
Kebajikan.
Yes, virtue. It's all about what we value and the choices we make.
Not in harta benda, but there are
No.
many people happy when they get iPhone maybe or new car. That's the things.
That's not
make happy also.
That's not happiness. That's pleasure. It's
Pleasure.
temporary.
Oh,
Kesenangan itu sementara.
kesenangan sementara.
Yeah, pleasure is temporary, right?
So the
Happiness is
happiness jangka panjang.
yeah,
The
long
value.
term, right? Long term happiness. When we can be good to people, then we can be kind.
Be kind to people.
But kind and virtue is not same actually. Baik dan bajik.
Kebajikan.
Kebaikan dan kebajikan is not same.
What's the difference?
Kebaikan is when I ask you, guys, can I ask your cigarettes? You give me. That's kebaikan.
Oh ya.
But kebajikan is when you see me, oh mungkin orang itu nggak punya rokok, saya tawarin lah. Itu kebajikan. Play your intention.
Intention.
Active kindness.
Active kindness.
Not
Yeah,
passive.
yeah.
That's kebajikan.
Tidak diminta tapi memberi. Beda sama memberi ketika diminta. Lebih ke aktif ya.
Yes.
Lebih aktif.
That someone told me like that. Kebajikan sama kebaikan bedanya itu. Yeah, maybe that's right. But we cannot be like do it directly like ditelan mentah-mentah every motivation like that, because we have to see the situation first. So we cannot judge people actually. Oh
If
dia
we
kok
meet-
begini.
If we meet perampok or what who
We have to be
do
neutral.
bad
No,
deeds to us.
we cannot be angry. Don't be angry to them,
Don't be
because angry will consume you, akan memakan dirimu sendiri. Tapi harusnya gimana kalau ada perampok? Ya lapor polisi.
Lapor polisi.
Urusan polisi. Nah, tapi tidak perlu ada rasa benci aja, nggak usah berani. Tapi jangan juga dilepas perampoknya.
Benci itu ya menguras energi aja sih.
Yes, consume us. It can consume us. Merugikan kita. Yes, kayak nature tadi. Kalau ada perampok lapor. Kalau nggak lapor kan nggak nature berarti.
Nature tuh alam
Nah,
maksudnya.
sesuai dengan alam, secara
Sesuai
alamiah.
dengan
Alamiahnya kan kita lapor polisi.
Iya,
Itu
iya.
maksudnya sih, berhubungan ya nomor 1 sama nomor 3.
Aturan.
That's great, right?
The first point,
The first point
be
is
kind.
no,
Adaptation.
nature. If you want a smooth flow of life, kehidupan yang flow smooth, life according to nature.
Yeah,
Sesuai
nature.
selaras dengan alam.
And the second,
Happiness isn't found in things, right? But
Yeah,
in virtue
kebahagiaan.
alone. It's all about what we value and the choices we make. Yeah, choices we make. That's very hard. Make a choice, like make a decision is very hard.
life is choice.
Yeah. Decision based on your experience.
Yeah.
Like for example, right now, do you want to open the coffee shop again?
No.
No, because you have experience.
Yeah, maybe later.
Later, right?
Oh.
It's different. What? Experienced person and stupid person is different.
Yes.
But maybe I'm stronger than Prabowo, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. I can fight with Mr. Prabowo and I can win. Can I be a general? No.
No.
Because experience-nya beda. Meskipun
Yeah.
orangnya lebih kuat, tapi kalau experience-nya beda.
Harus
Experience
Kopassus
apa?
sekian tahun.
Experience-nya apa? Making a decision. Keputusan membuat. Making a decision is very hard. Pekerjaan paling sulit, saya percaya, membuat keputusan. For example, like increasing BBM. BBM, what is it? Petrol. Gas, apa namanya? Bahan bakar. Naikin harga bahan bakar. Dinaikin apa enggak? Kalau dinaikin, negara untung bisa nutupin biaya-biaya, tapi rakyat marah.
Tapi kayaknya ada perlu kata lagi. Kalau untuk membuat keputusan mudah. Ya atau tidak? Ya, tidak.
No,
Tapi
tapi kan
keputusan yang
tanggung jawabnya,
keputusan
kan ada tanggung jawabnya.
keputusan
The
yang
responsibility.
responsibility. Nah, iya
That's
sih.
hard. Makanya bikin keputusan susah. Umpamanya ada bom di sana, cara nangannya gimana?
Ya.
Saya yang kuat bakalan kalah sama keputusannya yang seorang Prabowo yang pernah Kopassus.
Iya benar.
That's right. So that's why I said membuat keputusan is very hard.
Very hard.
Making a decision.
Kalau gegabah sih mudah.
Yes. And then number 3, we don't control external events. Right.
Right.
We only control our thoughts, opinions, decision, and duties.
Yes.
Which one don't you know the meaning? Yang
I
mana?
know.
Yang
Beyond
mana?
control, kita tidak mencoba untuk apa tuh?
Tidak bisa mengontrol.
Tidak bisa mengontrol
kejadian luar.
external events.
Ya,
Kita hanya bisa mengontrol
pikiran kita,
pikiran.
pendapat kita, keputusan kita, dan tugas kita.
Iya.
I agree. When I start singing on the street singing, they maybe hate me, pengamen lagi. But I cannot control their thoughts. Nggak bisa saya kontrol pemikiran mereka. Nggak boleh benci saya. No. Yang penting saya nyanyi dengan bagus, bikin mereka terhibur sebisanya. Kalaupun nggak terhibur, mereka boleh ngusir. Karena ketika saya berangkat ngamen itu saya udah siap diusir, memang punya mental itu. Yang penting sayanya harus gimana. Saya nggak bisa kontrol pikiran orang, nggak bisa kita. You cannot control people's thoughts, right?
Kita hanya bisa bersiap untuk menghibur mereka.
Yes.
Terhibur tidak terhibur, kontrol di luar kontrol itu maksudnya.
Yes. And then what do you think about number 3? Yeah, do you agree? You agree, right?
I agree. We
Yeah.
cannot control.
their minds, right?
Right. But how
Yeah.
about the magician? They like control. Romy Raphael, hypnotize.
No,
Control.
that's not the context of Stoicism.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
not that.
Okay.
If you do something good, and then people nyinyir, don't care. We have to know the art of subtle art of giving a fuck. Giving a fuck is the tidak bodo amat, bodo amat. Nah, you have to have control like that.
Bodo amat, giving a fuck.
Yeah, because it's really hard to. Ada yang bilang gini, nggak usah temenan aja gitu, nggak usah bersosial aja. No, itu tidak bisa terjadi. Because we need social, we need interpersonal. Tapi caranya kita harus menjaga jarak. jangan terlalu dekat, jangan terlalu jauh. Yang benar. Kalau terlalu jauh kita terisolasi, nggak ada yang kenal kita. Sebagus apapun lu, nggak ada yang kenal, nggak ada yang tahu kehebatan lu, nggak akan ada kesempatan. For example, I can speak English. Kalau sendirian aja, siapa yang mau tahu? Gimana kesempatan bisa masuk? Tapi kalau terlalu dekat juga kita bisa dikontrol orang. So that's why,
Right.
we have to,
Make
balance.
batasan. Balance.
Yeah, balance.
Batasan, what we say?
Border. And then number 4, what?
Number
Number
4.
4, we've each been given all the inner resources we need to thrive. Thrive is berkembang. Kita udah ada.
We have each been given all the inner
Kita
resources.
sudah diberi semua sumber yang di dalam kita ini untuk yang kita perlukan untuk berkembang.
Thrive is
berkembang.
improvement.
Like kita.
oh.
Yeah,
Thrive.
of course. When we have the intention, niat, we can thrive. Kita bisa berkembang. Because for me, thrive is number 1. We have to thrive every day. Lalu, kalau gak berkembang, ya kita nggak hidup. Berkembang. I believe that great people like Mr. Jokowi, Sandiaga Uno, Mr. Prabowo itu selalu belajar.
Oh, ini berkembangnya we thrive in what?
Berkembang. Tadinya dari
Di bidang apa maksudnya?
apa aja. Tadinya bodoh, tadinya nggak tahu. Jadi tahu.
Berkembang biak termasuk itu.
No, actually no.
Itu berkembang
Bukan ini berkembang secara ini sih, skill sih.
Skill.
Skillnya. Lihat tuh orang yang udah pinter kan semakin baca, semakin nggak tahu, semakin merasa nggak tahu.
Ya.
So they can hold the world. Mereka bisa menguasai dunia. Like Elon Musk is a reader, pembaca ulung dia. Elon Musk orang terkaya di dunia, yang punya Tesla. Bukan, jadi maksudnya nomor 4 ini, number 4, kita tuh nggak perlu orang lain untuk bisa berkembang. Kita udah punya modalnya, kemauan. Pepatah mengatakan ketika murid siap, guru datang. Kalau muridnya belum siap, nggak ada guru. Mau ada sekolah pun nggak akan ada guru, nggak akan ada pelajaran yang bisa masuk ke otak kalau muridnya belum siap.
Yeah,
Right.
right. That's right.
What do you think? Agree, right?
Right.
And then, like
Tapi
number
satu sih.
what?
Ada yang we wanna thrive but we don't know where's the way.
If we want, we can find.
Fine.
Kalau kita ada keinginan pasti ada jalan, ada bisa nemu. Mending kita cari terus.
Kalau saya pengen jadi tentara, tapi tingginya kurang.
My friend can be a soldier, dipukul kepalanya pakai botol.
Out of control.
Biar benjol dikit. Itu dia.
Ya, benjol dikit terus tambah tinggi.
Iya, 1 cm.
Oh gitu.
Masuk dia gara-gara itu. Itu pasti ada jalannya. That's the tactic.
Taktik. Iya.
Do you know the difference between strategy and tactic? Strategi dan taktik bedanya?
I don't know.
Strategy is big picture, gambaran besarnya. Saya mau bikin kafe, strateginya ini. Gambaran besarnya dari awal. Ketika mengerjakan, kok ada kendala-kendala lagi. Oh, lampunya kok gini ya? Oh, gue giniin dah. Itu namanya taktik. Taktik ketika sudah mengerjakan baru taktik muncul.
Bahasa ininya gua akalin
Iya,
dah. Biar
akalin. Strategi kan juga akal, tapi akal dari awal.
Iya.
Kalau pertama kan visi dulu, visi itu tujuan. Nah, misinya ini
Iya,
untuk visinya bisa tercapai, strateginya gini.
Iya.
Tapi kan nanti pasti di tengah-tengah ada kendala. Kita harus mikir lagi, itu dinamakan taktik. Bedanya di situ.
Oke.
Number 5, we must eliminate toxic emotions. Kita harus mengeliminasi emosi toxic. We must eliminate toxic emotions. Why hope, fear, and anger are always the worst strategies. Right? Harapan, ketakutan, dan amarah itu jelek. Gitu.
Itu masuknya toxic emotion.
Iya, kayak berharap. Like for example, when you get in touch to the girl, jangan berharap. Kenalan aja. Nggak usah diharap dia akan menikah dengan saya, nggak usah. Nggak usah takut juga. Dan nggak usah, kalau dia nggak usah marah juga, netral. Emosi orang stoik netral.
Yes.
That's right. But sometimes it's really hard to people. Nggak semudah itu. Memang kita Jokowi. Kalau Pak Jokowi dia manusia yang udah jadi secara emosional. Tidak semudah itu like become a Jokowi.
Apalagi kalau cowok sedang jatuh cinta, hati berbunga-bunga.
Iya. Terus dia ngeliat dia jalan sama cowok lain. Nah, itu pasti roller coaster banget ya.
Roller coaster.
Nah, perasaannya. Something like that. Alright. So, like hope, fear, and anger will be bad.
Really bad. Become natural.
We can make a bad decision. Apa?
Emosi yang bagus tuh seperti apa kalau itu emosi yang jelek?
Netral aja.
Netral. Nggak perlu positif.
Netral. No.
Positive thinking, positif ini.
No, we have to anticipate dari negatif. Dia kan berharap, jangan takut,
marah.
Jangan marah. Dia kan nggak ngomong jangan pikiran negatif. Pikiran negatif penting. Biar kita bisa antisipasinya, how to anticipate ketika nanti begini dan begitu. Alright. But when you want to do something, don't think about the negative aspect. And then anticipate. Kalau terjadi negatif ini, yaudah saya gini. Tapi tetap lakukan. Jangan fear, jangan takut.
Just do it.
Jangan juga berharap akan berhasil, karena kita manusia cuma bisa berusaha. Alright. Then number 5, we are and must remain a unified self. We can't complain or blame anyone else. Best to deal with our own demons. What do you think? Kita adalah dan harus tetap menjadi diri yang bersatu. Kita tidak bisa mengeluh atau menyalahkan orang lain. Alright. Yang terbaik adalah menghadapi iblis kita sendiri.
Unified, bersatu dengan apa?
We cannot just like orang itu gini. Mungkin saja kita berpikir begitu karena diri kita sendiri masih buruk. Like for example, when your glass in your window, ada jendela di kamar, ada kaca tuh. Terus kita ngeliat tetangga kita nyucinya kotor, jemur baju. Itu orang jemur baju kok kotor terus sih. Besoknya lagi dilihat lagi. Baju kotor kok dijemur. Tiap hari kayak gitu. Tapi sekali kita bersihin jendela kita, ternyata jendela kita yang kotor, bukan baju dia. Something like that. We have to fight with our demons, maksudnya itu. Introspeksi sebenarnya. Something like that, right? Stoicism.
Nah, tadi kan bersatunya apa? Dengan diri.
Unified with ourselves, just like kan ada orang tuh yang benci sama dirinya sendiri. Belum deal sama dirinya sendiri, masih bingung kayak gitu. Kita harus bersatu sama diri kita sendiri, karena kadang-kadang kayak orang bingung, kayak orang koleng itu, kayak orang linglung. Dia lagi nggak bersatu sama dirinya sendiri. Sama halnya dengan jiwanya dia lagi baru bangun tidur, nah jiwanya
berhamburan di jalanan.
Iya kayak gitu. Jadi dia nggak bisa introspeksi diri. Alright. We get many things right from this.
Cara introspeksinya gimana? How we introspect ourselves?
How to
the simple thing?
Maybe like
meditation.
Meditation, yes, and then STAR. When we face something, we have to STAR. S, stop. Number 1, stop. T, think. A, assess, menilai. P, STIR. R is react. Nah, berhenti.
Stop.
Jadi kita harus diam dulu. Mamanya ada orang marah-marah sama kita tiba-tiba. Stop dulu, mikir dulu, dinilai dulu ini gimana nih caranya nih. Baru reaksi. Pokoknya dipikir dulu intinya. Jangan langsung bertindak. Jangan cepat bertindak.
Bertindak dulu baru berpikir.
Ya, biasanya gagal itu.
Berpikir dulu
baru bertindak sih. Maksudnya ini.
Okay.
For number 7, no man is an island. No man is an island. Ya, tidak seorang pun adalah pulau. Maksudnya kita tuh bareng-bareng sama orang lain, nggak kita sendirian. It means we have to be social, right? Don't think, wah kok kafe saya nggak laku sih, berarti mereka jahat tuh orang-orang tuh. Jangan berpikir ke situ. Mungkin mereka punya urusan lain yang mereka mau ke cafe yang lain, for example, right?
Jadi
Jangan
kayak mendorong harus we have to
tetap
Adapt to-
adaptasi. Nah, kenapa biar kita jualan laku gimana? Oh, mereka butuh barang murah. Oke, kita lebih murahin lagi. Berarti menyesuaikan aja sama mereka. Jangan kita melakukan sesuatu and then kok salah bagi orang, berarti mereka nggak ngerti. Mungkin kitanya aja yang belum. We have to adapt with them, right? Number 8 right now, okay?
Oke.
Our personal development is bound up in cooperation with others. Yes, we have to cooperate with others. Like number 1, right? Bersama aja, cooperation.
Number one, we cooperate with nature.
Nature also with people. Nature kan nggak cuma alam aja, nggak cuma tumbuh-tumbuhan. Nature itu semuanya,
All thing.
alam semesta, sama manusia juga. Alright. And then for number 9, persist and resist. It's all about progress, not perfections. Yeah, maybe like, what do you think?
Bertahan.
Yeah, when we do something good, we have to be strong, right? There.
Atau
And we have to-
mempertahankan.
Yes. Yeah, it's all about progress. We have to keep our progress. Buka angkringan, diejek orang, diejek-ejek. Biarin aja.
The show must go on.
Yeah, show must go on. And then we have to be progress. Ntar sekarang angkringan, ntar gue bisa bikin yang lebih gede. Nggak harus sempurna sih. It's like we make a content, YouTube content, right? We don't have to try to be perfect. Yeah, just progress.
Just
We
progress.
can do every day.
Yeah. We just do this every day.
Yeah, we can practice our speaking,
Practice.
right? Yeah, our YouTube channel. That's
Practice
just
makes
for-
perfect.
Yeah, practice like that, and we spend our time together like this in
Thrive.
cozy situation,
Cozy day.
cozy nyaman, right? Okay.
Ya salah satu jalan berkembang, praktek. Bahkan mendengarkan orang yang sedang praktek pun
That's right.
adalah praktek.
Hmm.